You ready? Let's go.
Alright guys, today we are going to do another 14-minute interval training. And the reason why we're going to do that is last time with the 14 minutes, we did it with a resistance of 14 and this was our outcome. Now, I'm not saying that the resistance of 14 or a lower resistance is the better way of working out. For myself, I want to just do a comparison. So when we get done, we can see if I burned more calories, less calories, what the heart rate was, what I consistently held the burn rate per minute. I just want to see. So what I'm trying to get out of this is, I guess, whether you like to run at the harder resistance with the theory that the harder the resistance, the more calories you're going to burn, or if you're like me and you like to run at an easier resistance but at a faster spin. The bottom line is, I think it doesn't matter how we get to the finish line as long as we get there at the same time. For me. Now, that's not saying that the harder resistance isn't a strength training program, because it is. And I think you need that. But when we are going just for calories in that minimum amount of time, I think that it should be what you're comfortable at. Not necessarily what somebody else thinks is good for you. Just my opinion. So, like I said, here's the stats from last time. And we'll see what they end up with this time. Last time was 14 resistance. This time is going to be, I'm going to set it at 12 and stay at 12. And then maybe next time we'll do it at 10. We'll see. As usual, this is the Oilfield Workout Guy Joe channel. I'm Joe, your host. This is the Bowflex Max Trainer. This is the feature equipment here. That's why most people come here. Anything you want to know about this, anything you want to know about Bowflex, I have a clickable link right down in the descriptions. Same thing with the coldest water bottle. Right down in the descriptions, you can click that and see all the products that they have. All right, that's one way to support the channel. Another way is a big old thumbs up. As usual, guys, the channel is at the point where we have commercials now. There's nothing I can do about it. That's part of YouTube. I have set it up where if you're in the middle of the workout, you can at least click through the advertisement and keep on with your workout. It's the best I can do. So, with that being said, get your bottle, get your water. Make sure before you do anything, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification. I'm going to take time out and do a couple push-ups, 25 push-ups, and then I will see you at the machine. You're more than welcome to join me. All right, enjoy your workout. I'll see you over there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, boys and girls, 14 minutes. I'm going to be on a resistance of 12. Get us some water. Just relax, don't get excited. We're good. 3, 2, 1, hit it. So, all of a sudden I'm feeling tired. Just want to back way down. I gotta recover. This happens sometimes. I'm not gonna stop the workout. I'm just gonna recover here. Deep breath. All right, here we go. Try to keep my sprint up. Really tired today. Came over me all of a sudden. So, we're not going to stop the workout. We're going to push through. Just accept it for what it is. And come back tomorrow. That's all. So, I wanted to compare the two results, but I didn't know this tired feeling was going to come over me. That's okay though. Just got to take it for what it is. Not every day is going to be a perfect day. Alright, got another sprint coming back up. Let's try to salvage it. Got to recover. That's what I tell you guys all the time. Just finish the workout. You can't predict what's going to happen. But you can finish your workout. On this channel, if I'm going to fail, you're going to see it. Okay? This is a failure right here for me. But we're pushing through and we're finishing the workout. Make the best of it. Seconds. Last sprint. So, let me explain what happened. I don't know what it was. I just felt really crappy. If you're new to this channel, it's one thing I do with my viewers. If there's going to be a failure, we don't edit it. We fail right in front of you. So, the last workout that we had was 467 on that at 14 resistance. I had a 443 on a 12 resistance, and I got tired and I slowed way down. So that's already telling me that if I don't know why I'm tired. It's hard coming out of the oil field and then right into this and making the videos. So it adds up, but no excuses, man. It was still a good workout. All right. I hope you enjoyed the workout. I'm still catching my breath. I don't know what happened. I just had this tired feeling. I was like, oh man, I want to stop, but I don't. So anyway, love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.